Hello and welcome. I've got here a Mercedes Jules Verne camper van. It is a camper van. It looks like a car, but it's a camper van. It's a camper van because it has camper van facilities. Okay, and it comes at a camper van cost as well. It comes at a motorhome cost 90,000 euros. So it's got 50 litres of fresh water. It's got 36 litres of waste water, one gas cylinder, and it is 514 centimeters long, 224 width, and 102 meters high. Really, is that wide? That's what it says up there. I mean, doesn't look that wide. Doesn't look super wide to me. I mean, it's almost as wide as mine. Must be including the mirrors. Anyway, that apart. Let's come to the back and have a look at that, because this is where the fun stuff is. And what's exciting about this, it comes with a toilet. So that's an essential thing here. Now down here we've also got a shower. Now I've had people say in vehicles like this in the past, oh, that's pointless, you're going to get everything all wet. Well, the idea is you've got to be careful. Yeah, of course you're going to get everything all wet if you're not careful, but if you're careful, then things won't get wet. I don't make a mess in the shower, so in fact, I don't make a mess in the shower. Doesn't mean to say that other people don't. I know I've had guests at my place, a house that is, when I was still living in a house, who made a dreadful mess in the shower. But anyway, that apart, in here we find the cassette toilet. Well, we would have found the cassette if there'd been one in, but the cassette goes in there. I think this is a great thing here. Bit of storage there, and here as well, where it's in the toilet or the shower, you can admire your clothes. And in down here we have got a place for the gas canister goes in there. Right, now the one thing that I don't like having the controls up here. In my opinion, they should be next to the door, the main door. You don't walk in your vehicle via the rear end. Probably I'm going to go, because that's what Westfalia want me to do. Okay, so here we've got cooking facilities. There's normally comes with knobs and some kind of thing over here as well. They've taken them out because people come in and then help themselves to anything they can find. Open this up, there's the drawer, got 3 more like that. Look at all this magnificent amount of space. And we've also got here, what's that? Well, this would be used as a wardrobe, but at the moment it's got things to make a bed up down here. So bed can be made in the vehicle itself, but as you can see, there's a tent in the roof. Storage there for food, sorry, fridge there, and storage below. Below we've got some drawers. I'll close that. So I really like the idea of the car camper. Indeed, if I could actually take anything out, it wouldn't suit me at full time, but if I could take anything out for use for a week or so, it would be one of these things. And I used to travel all around Europe doing trade fairs when I had a business, and I would do it in my car, and I'd sleep in the car often. And I mean, it would have been great to have had something like this. This would really have worked wonders for me. In a car you can go probably twice as fast, certainly twice as fast as I currently drive in my motorhome, where it's legal, of course. I'm not suggesting you actually break the law, and you can carry quite a fair bit of stuff for short journeys. Obviously you'd want possibly sleep below if you were on a business thing, rather than actually get the tent out. But I would find this, were I still doing the same sort of thing, be just what I needed. Oh, got cubby holes all over the place. See, this is part of the thing to make the bed up, which I can't do now because I need somebody to actually hold the camera whilst I do it. Some of these beds though are quite a jigsaw puzzle. You'd have to do it a few times just to see how it worked out. So there you go. There is the Jules Verne from Westfalia. We'll have a walk around the outside. Now, a friend of his wife, I think it was, bought one of these. No, notice that it wasn't this one. It was the Marco Polo, which is nowhere near as good as the Jules Verne. Anyway, I tell you what. Now we've seen that, we'll have a walk around because there's no one else around, and you can see what else there is. And so this might actually encourage you to come to Dusseldorf one year. Because the thing is that by the time this gets published, of course, this event will be over. But in most years, people park their stuff in exactly the same position. So what we see here now is almost the same, almost, not quite, but almost the same as it was last year, and got lots of vehicles. This is just a tiny selection of what can be seen. Right, let's I've got a meeting, so hey, you can come with me whilst I'm walking down there to see it. Right, so come out here. Okay, still August, but it's a little cold, and it's normally absolutely roasting. This year it poured with rain. First time it poured with rain. It's rained in the past, but never poured as it did here. Right, Zion. No, yeah. Right, in here we've got one of the equipment halls, and so we'll have a quick look at this. I'll do a separate video walking around, but the benefit of me being able to do this now is that I can actually show you what it's like when people aren't around. Anyway, this is where I'm going to. So we might see later a video on Thule, which makes equipment such as awnings is probably best known for, possibly the best awnings on the market, in my opinion. Possibly there might be some of the brands which makes the bigger brands. Let's put it that way. I think that looks pretty daft. And they also do bike racks. They've got this electric awning. So, okay, I'll have a bit of a walk around here now. This is where I was coming to. So, everyone else is here. So, thanks for watching. I'll put the camera out. So, thanks for watching. Hope you found that interesting. Jules Verne from Westfalia, and plenty more videos from Dusseldorf and lots of other places on this channel. Bye for now.